Regularly moisturizing the skin is vital to keep it hydrated, young-looking, smooth, and healthy. Since moisturizers are essential for your skin, it is crucial to choose a suitable product. Go through the ingredients before purchasing a moisturizer. Look for hydrating ingredients such as shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera in your moisturizer. Additionally, avoid moisturizers that contain filling ingredients. You may also opt for moisturizers that double as sunscreen, with SPF 15 or higher. Here are some tips that can increase the effectiveness of moisturizers. Number 1. Use a moisturizer regularly. Moisturizers are an essential part of any skincare routine. Since the skin needs proper hydration throughout the day, it is suggested to include the use of moisturizer in your morning and evening skincare. It is best to apply the moisturizer to cleansed skin. Number 2. Apply the moisturizer to damp skin. Moisturizers are best applied to damp skin as the hydration is sealed and more effectively, the wetness allows the moisturizer to penetrate deeper into the skin. Therefore, after a shower or bath, do not completely dry your skin, and then apply a moisturizer. Allow the hydration and nutrients to penetrate the skin first for at least 3 minutes before layering on any product on it. This also enables the makeup to last longer. Number 3. Apply moisturizers regardless of your skin type. Many people with oily skin avoid using a moisturizer, believing that oily skin doesn't require moisturization or will look greasier when applied with a moisturizer. It is preferably to use oil-based, heavy moisturizers in the winter and water-based, light moisturizers for summer. Apply moisturizing cream to your body, including hands, legs, neck, and chest as well. This prevents your skin from drying out. Number 4. Use hand creams. A lack of moisturization in the hands can cause dryness, itching, redness, and even cracks in the skin. Therefore, it is recommended to use a hand cream containing shea butter, vitamin E, essential oils, or glycerin, SPF 15 or higher, to help hydrate your skin. Number 5. Exfoliate weekly. Exfoliating your skin 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells is essential to keep your skin healthy. This not only prevents dullness, but also enables the moisturizer to penetrate the skin easily and get absorbed. Number 6. Change the product. Change your moisturizer periodically, especially as your skin changes. The products your skin needs at a young age differ largely from the products beneficial for aging skin. Moreover, your skin may adapt to the moisturizer you have been using for years, rendering it ineffective. Thus, it is wise to change your product every once in a while.